Today, we're diving into the world of writing, where you'll learn to write like true pros. Get ready to inform, explain, and explore different sides of a topic. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's make this exciting. Imagine you're writing about a topic everyone can relate to: school uniforms. But hold on, we're not stopping at uniforms are awesome. We're going deeper. Explore both sides of an argument. Uniforms are awesome. First up, uniforms rock. Some students think uniforms are like magic capes that unite us. We're all on team school and no one's left out. Plus, no more early morning fashion meltdowns. Claim school uniforms should be mandatory for all students. Reason 1, wearing uniforms promotes a sense of unity and belonging among students. Reason 2, uniforms eliminate clothing-related peer pressure, allowing students to focus on learning. Reason 3, a dress code reduces distractions and maintains a professional learning environment. Now, on the other side, express yourself. Some classmates say uniforms limit our individuality. Clothes are like personal billboards, they show who we are, and uniforms might feel like invisible shoes. Claim, express yourself. School uniforms should not be mandatory for all students. Reason 1, clothes are like personal billboards, they show who we are. Reason 2, uniforms make us feel invisible. Reason 3, a dress code takes away from our individuality. Now let's see how a fellow student, Maya, brings in the counterargument. Maya loves her uniform, but she understands her friend Eli's point of view too. Claim, uniforms rock. School uniforms should be mandatory for all students. Wearing uniforms is like wearing a symbol of unity. We're all part of the same team, working together for success. On the flip side, my friend Eli thinks uniforms limit our creativity. He believes clothes are a personal canvas, and uniforms cover up our unique artistry. Counterargument, claim, express yourself. School uniforms should not be mandatory for all students. Reason 1, clothes are like personal billboards, they show who we are. Reason 2, uniforms make us feel invisible. Reason 3, a dress code takes away from our individuality. Uniforms might have some restrictions, but they also bring us together. And maybe finding a balance between unity and expression is the key. Let's make this exciting. Keep exploring both sides of an argument. Keep writing and exploring. Keep up the fantastic work, and remember, writing is your passport to exciting adventures.